Hello guys, it's Mikael0678 here, and this video I'm going to show you how to get a custom cursor or just use this cursor which I have. So first I'm going to show you where to download this cursor. I have made own mega file for this, so just click the link down in the description and click download. Then it will download and there it is. I think you won't need WinRAR, but I'm not sure, so I will also put WinRAR link in the description. So yeah, now we are here and you can see the cursors right here, but they are like this because you haven't put them in the cursor place on your computer yet. So yeah, now you have downloaded the folder, make sure to click it and you will see it right here. Then just right click and click extract files, then right here and put new folder and OK. Then it will pop up right here. Next, just write cursor on your search thing, then go to additional mouse settings and then add additional mouse options. Now you are right here where you can option your mouse speed or which these primary secondary button things. Oh fuck. How? No. The fuck? Oh shit. Yeah. And then there is these. Pointers is where you want to be. Then go browse and make sure to put these cursors on your own computer cursors file. So yeah, next we are going to browse right here and like this you can just withdraw this in the cursor folder or go to file explorer, then go to this computer, then C drive or your first drive, then Windows, and here is cursors. Then put all these to your cursors file. Next, you see this page. It's like this, and then just browse and find the cursor what is looking exactly like this. So normal cursor is like just normal cursor. Find it right here and you will see it. So I think it's such name. Nope, it's not just cursor. It's named normal select. Oh, it's same name as this. Then help select, you go ho, and then you will find help select and just select this like this, boom, and then browse help select and you will go H and click again OK, and doing the same thing when this is done. Then you just save it by clicking save as and then put the name and OK, then Apple and OK, and now you will see your cursors on the screen. So when you are going like here and some link, like let's go my YouTube and let's check this. So you will find there is, if you are on the text, it's like this. If you are on like heart or or link, it's like this. But now, I hope this video helped you guys, and yeah, in the description you will find my own cursor, so if you like it, make sure to download it, and yeah. Thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed, have a nice day and night, subscribe if you want. I'm making these English videos 1 or 2 in the month, but my YouTube channel primary language is Finnish, so yeah. Hope you enjoy, have a nice day and bye bye.
For my city, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.